Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clone apps on your Android phone in a few different ways depending on the Android phone model that you have. So let's get started. So one way is, first thing you want to do is go into your setting, and then from your setting here, you're going to go for the search icon or search up either Dual. So if you have the Samsung phone, you search up what's known as Dual Messenger. Now if you have a OnePlus, there's something called Parallel Apps. If you have a Xiaomi, you'll do dual apps or even twin apps. So search for either of those. And when you do that, what's going to happen is it's going to give you this setting called dual messenger or dual app or parallel apps as well. And what that does is if you have an app installed that's a messenger or an app that can be cloned, you can actually clone it right here by installing a second copy here. So these apps that you're seeing here, I'm just able to create a second copy on the phone so I can use a second account. Like I said, search up dual messenger, parallel apps, dual apps, or app twin, depending on the model. And you should see something like that. Keep in mind, you do have to have this already downloaded from the Play Store on your device. So if you don't see an app, make sure it's downloaded, and not all apps are supported, which brings us to the second method. So if this method isn't working for you, which is going to be going to the Play Store, and then in the Play Store, you're going to search for, in the search here, download an app called Parallel Space. So here, Parallel Space. You can search for this one. There's a couple apps that does it, but this one is one of them I have installed here. And what this happens is when you download and install this app, it's going to show something like this. Basically, it's going to be app within app. So you will have this app, right? And we can see here we can add other apps within the app. So each time you open it up, you can use it as another app. And what you'll do is you'll use Instagram as a second app or even a third app on your device with this method. Keep in mind, with this method, you'll have to each time go into that app to use that specific app, and you can add multiple apps. You can use it for multiple apps by adding it to the apps that are going to be available. It's going to show you the ones that are available and more apps that are on your phone that you can put on this app as well to clone them. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.